I just met the boy and Mrs. OMG at the haircutting place. Now we're going to pick up some barbecue and go have a picnic. And I'm going to bring you guys with me. Oh, I should probably unlock the bike. Every single day that goes by, it's getting warmer and warmer. It's still in the 50s right now. Well, I say that. I mean, it was in the 60s the other day, or 70s or whatever, 20s, 50s, 70s, 30s. Now it's back up to the 50s. I tell you what, Tennessee weather, it's a little bipolar. But hey, what's up, OMG Nation? So if you're new to my channel, welcome. I appreciate you guys stopping in. I appreciate you guys clicking that subscribe button and becoming a part of the OMG Nation. If you have not yet, hey, I'm not going to ask you to right now. What I'm going to ask you to do is just watch a few videos. See if you want to sit back and listen to the nonsense that comes out of my mouth on a regular basis. Man, it feels great out here. Oh, we're gonna get caught by the red light. Oh yeah, before I forget, at the end of today's episode, I want you guys to do me a favor. Hang in till the end. I'm gonna ask you a question that I want you to answer for me. Okay, you can help me out with a little personal decision. Look at this person right, boy, I thought they were gonna shoot into my lane. Let me put my thumb on the horn. I really felt like they were about to shoot right over into my lane. Look, they were. They just got behind me. They definitely were going to shoot over into my lane. So, I have a funny story to tell you guys. But I'm going to insert a video here in just a second. Because I've already told the story once. I did it on video and I put it on my social media. And I wasn't going to try to recreate it because I don't know if I could recreate the genuine laughter. The other day I received a telemarketing phone call. I answered the call and within a couple of seconds I knew it was a telemarketer. Then another call comes through. It's another number that I don't recognize, and I kind of went, am I getting two telemarketer calls at the same time? So I decided to click over while the other person was talking and answer the call, and sure enough, it was another telemarketer call. So I decided to, well, let me just insert the video now and show you what I did. The funniest thing you know how you try to tell somebody a story and you can't stop laughing? Y'all probably not even gonna think it's that funny, but I thought it was hilarious. I had a telemarketer call and I answered the phone, hello, and they started with their spiel. Well, then I saw that another call was coming through, that the number I didn't recognize. I was like, am I getting two telemarketer calls at the same time? So I decided while this person that called first was talking, I would go over and just answer the other call. So I answered the other call. It's another telemarketer. Well, I just merged them together. They're like, hello, and they're talking to each other. They're sitting there, and then they're going, what? Hello, what are you talking about? And they talk to each other for about 2.5 minutes before one of them decided to hang up. If it ever happens to you, try it, because it's awesome. Oh, man, it still cracks me up just to think about that video, to watch that video. I've probably watched it a couple of times, and I find it, do you ever laugh at yourself? Here's a question for you. Do you ever laugh at yourself? Because I laugh at myself all the time. I think it's hilarious when I'm trying to tell a story to somebody and I can't tell the story because I can't stop laughing. So obviously in that video I just showed, I was trying to tell a story, but I was laughing so hard that it was difficult for me to tell that story. Has that happened to any of you guys? And if it hasn't happened, if it does happen to you, are you going to try to do the same thing? Because I can promise you this, if it happens to me again, you can absolutely guarantee that I am going to merge those two calls together. I muted myself when they started talking to each other, and it was hysterical. Next time something like that happens, I'm going to try to record it too. You know what that means? Only one person on the call has to know that audio recording is happening. You know what that means? That only one person on the call has to know that audio recording is happening. Besides, they always record you anyways. This is a recorded line, usually what it says. So what I used to do a long time ago was when I would get telemarketer calls and it would say, this is a recorded line, I'd wait till they come on. I'd say, hey, I do not give you my consent to record me. Can you call me back when you're not recording? And they, oh, no, we can't do it. No, I don't give you my consent. Can you call me back when you're not recording? And I just did it to mess with them. I could care less. I wasn't going to give them any personal information that they wanted. I mean, I'd say most of our personal information is probably out there all over the World Wide Web anyways. You can just about find anything you want to. All right, we're pulling up to the park. Grab us a little lunch. So we got some stuff from Hog Wild. Oh, look. Eesh, there's a little poop right there. That's disgusting. All right, let's move this over it. You guys see my lunch dates? Like my hair? Hair done by Harley-Davidson. All right, let's see. What do you think? What is that?
A cookie.
Does it taste good?
This is a cookie. It has the same cookie, so that this.
Yeah.
And peanut butter.
I don't know. I didn't order anything. She did. Spicy. Ooh, look at this. Chicken right here. Oh yeah, this is that smoked chicken. This is that amazing smoked chicken that they have over there. Then they have this spicy. This is gonna be good. This is an all organic place. This Hog Wild place, right? Mm-hmm. All organic, no chemicals in the food.
Well, this is mine.
It is.
So I want to eat my this.
That is so good. That is so good. All right.
This is so good, Punnett.
That's good for you?
Sorry, I don't know what's it.
Yep, they're right in the middle now.
What? That's where I had it.
She's not too good at lining stuff up. We'll put a little hot sauce on the bird poop. Clean it up. Didn't work. It's been there for a while.
So weird.
It's baked in.
No, you haven't.
Okay, we're walking to the creek. Look at this bridge up here. Are you gonna wait on us? He's not waiting on us. Watch out for snakes.
Sneaky snakes.
That didn't work like it used to. Hold on, wait on us, please. Now, this would be fun to ride my motorcycle across. How much trouble do you think I would get in? I mean, there's not a sign that says no.
That's dangerous.
No motorized vehicles. Yeah, that's the creek. I don't want you climbing on it. Woo, look how.
What if the bridge collapsed on you?
We're gonna get wet. Boy, look how fast that water's moving.
Yeah, the shark.
I don't know. What did you say? Sharks? I don't want you climbing up, please. That's dangerous.
Sharks.
Sharks?
Yes!
You see one?
Yes, I do.
Oh my gosh.
It's over right there.
Somebody's calling me. Let's see who's calling me.
Okay, let's
Maybe it's another telemarketer.
Hi.
Oh, it might be.
Oh, I don't know.
Hello?
Hello.
Yes.
Okay. Yes. Hi, sir. This is Jacob.
Hi,
from
Jacob.
Southwest Airlines. How are you?
I'm well. How are you?
That's great to hear. I'm doing fine. Thank you so much for asking. And sir, nothing to worry. We're not.
I don't think this is
selling
Jacob.
anything here, and this is not a sales call.
Okay.
Basically, sir, the main reason of my call is just to simply inform you that our company would like to invite you as one of our guests for the grand open house celebration of our newest airline reservation center located here at Nashville, Tennessee. And I'm sure you know Nashville.
Yeah.
Town, right?
Yes. Jacob is taking forever to get to the point.
About this, since we're just kind of new here, in exchange of your time and efforts attending, you are guaranteed to receive a 2 round-trip airline ticket to
Round
a
trip.
destination within the U.S., valid for 1 year at no cost or no money obligation on your part.
Yeah. I'm not flying right now. You gotta duck from the and stuff. It's gonna get you everywhere. I mean.
Yes, sir, exactly. That's why these airline tickets that we are giving out is valid for 1 full year.
Oh, well, I think it'll probably be worse than a year. I think that's the plan.
I'm sorry?
I said, I think it'll be worse than a year. I believe that's the plan.
I'm sorry, sir?
Oh, that was funny. All right, hey, what do you think? Is it peaceful right here? You like this?
Yeah, so
It is deep.
It looks deep. Do you think maybe we can get a kayak
yeah.
down here? Go fish?
That sounds dangerous.
No boat.
No boats?
No, he said, you mean a boat instead of a kayak?
Yeah, we could do that. I don't know where we could put a boat in over here though.
So we can find another place though.
You don't want to have a quick walk? Why? Is that a tiger? We came up through here this past summer and walked around all these trails, didn't we?
Yeah, it was nice and we got lost.
Yeah. You got lost. I'm an expert explorer.
Dad, you always get lost.
She gets lost in her own bathroom. Okay, so what's this say right here? Caution, bridges and trails may be slippery when wet. Let's see if it says anything about a motorized vehicle. Parks notice, please dismount and push your bike across the bridge. So it says bike. I mean, I call my motorcycle a bike, but I have to push it across the bridge. I mean, I'm strong, but I don't want to show off, you know?
What
If
is
I
the
was
bridge?
pushing my bike.
No.
That's what it says.
This is
Right here. Please dismount and push your bike across the bridge.
Stop trying to be dangerous.
I could push it up there, but then if people saw me, they'd be like, oh, he's so strong.
Whatever. That thing is heavy. You
That-
do it. You see that
I
hill?
don't want them to get embarrassed because they can't push it across. Why don't you push those big old across the bridge?
Right.
Beep! Too late.
right there.
They're going to edit out what you just said.
Doing the waistline.
Do I want to race?
What's that?
Wait.
Kai, watch out, baby.
I need to stretch.
Watch out, Dad.
What?
Watch out, Dad.
Oh. Well, why didn't you say there's someone running behind you instead of watch out, I'm looking in front of me?
Yes, I can watch the Sakoa.
Huh?
You stop.
Okay, stop right here. On your mark. Cheater! 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 He's a cheater! He's a cheater! He said on your mark and he took off. I don't even remember where it was that I left off because sometimes I have what's called wrestler brain. If you don't understand what that means, and if you don't know, I was a professional wrestler for 15 years-ish, 15 and a half maybe. And it landed on my head a lot, got hit in the head a lot. So sometimes things come in and they mush around. They get a little jumbled up and they don't always come out so great. Talking about my head, my memory. Whoa, almost fell over. Go, brother. Rim benders and tire poppers. That's what these potholes are. And I guess you could also throw in face planters in that category. Well, that girl's swinging her arms like she was walking 100 miles an hour. Whoop, 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 whoop. Her arms are moving faster. As fast as somebody that was running full speed. So I'm almost home. I'm gonna pull into the garage because I told you at the start of the episode I had a question for you guys, and I wanted you, the OMG Nation, to help me out on a decision. So let me get into the garage. Okay, so if you hung on to the end, this is where I need your help. I've been thinking about getting a truck, and I've been reading. I'm going to get a used one. I'm thinking about, you guys tell me, and I've been reading a lot of information. Tell me your experience. Do you have a truck? And if you've had one in the past, what's your experience with them? A Dodge Ram 1500, a Dodge Ram 2500, a Ford F-150, or a Ford F-250. How about a Toyota Tundra? You guys tell me, and I'm talking maybe like somewhere between 2015 and 2018. If you've had one of those vehicles, let me know, drop it down in the comment. Tell me what your experience was with that vehicle. Maybe you can help me out in my search for a new truck. All right, guys, once again, I appreciate you guys watching today's episode. If you have not already, hit the like button. It helps me out in that algorithm. If you like this kind of content, just today, it's just been me riding around, jaw-jacking a little bit, and you've seen some of my other stuff that I do with motorcycle gear review, and also some things with, and some stuff I do up there at Moonshine Harley-Davidson and my man Rob up there in motorcycle sales. All that to say, please consider subscribing and becoming a part of the OMG Nation. Thanks for watching, everyone. Look, I've got... Oh, stall.